Welcome to Sculptural Gates, Northern California's leading builder of fine custom entryways. Since 1987, Sculptural Gates has been designing, fabricating, and automating entry gates. A fine gate can set your home apart, make your home safer, and increase its value. A gate purchase is a big decision, and there are many factors in choosing a reliable and technically able firm to craft your project successfully. At Sculptural Gates, we feel that a well-informed client will better know what to look for in a quality installation. Please join us for a tour of gate building, installation, and automation. Finely crafted gates start with creative design. All of our gates are designed on computer. The drawings include elevations, footings, grade beams, and internal support structures. These drawings guide us through the installation, assuring that your gate will have an accurate fit. It also allows you to see how your gate will look prior to fabrication. Our facility is state-of-the-art. We use the best tools because they do make a difference in how accurate your gate is built. Many companies outsource their tube bending. We like having full control over all elements of the production process and therefore have this type of high-end machinery in-house. Although great machinery makes the job easier and more accurate, nothing replaces world-class craftsmanship. Our master builders pay attention to all the details. All joinery on our gates is precise. The welds are clean and free of divots and pits, which help prevent water entering. The steel we use is heavier than most of our competitors. In fact, our average gate weighs 400 to 500 pounds. There are major differences in the way gates are built and installed. Many gates look good from a distance. As we get closer, we can see whether or not it's a quality product. We have an in-house plasma cutter that can cut out any shape programmed in the computer, from numbers and letters to patterns such as logos, animals, and graphics. An often overlooked but serious issue is that most gates don't have weep holes. Moisture eventually gets inside the tubing and rusts internally unknown to the gate owner. When the gate owner sees a rust spot, it is generally too late and the gate is severely rusted internally. Finishes on gates can vary, from a one-shot primer paint, to a primer with a one-coat acrylic finish, to a double-layer powder coat. Gate finishes can last a little over a year to as much as 12 years. At Sculptural Gates, our gates are sandblasted and finished with a two-coat baked-on powder coat. This ensures a long-lasting, maintenance-free finish. We believe that an informed buyer will discern the difference in quality, and common sense will justify purchasing a gate that will last a long time and need very little maintenance. A well-crafted gate deserves a fine installation. Unless the installation is done properly, problems will occur, sometimes a few years later with great consequence. A good installation takes into consideration the soil conditions and pays great attention to the design of the footings and grade beams. Your foundation is where it starts. One of the most common things that we see on double gates is that most of them do not line up evenly in the center where the two leaves meet. This problem of sagging gates frequently occurs on single gates as well. This is caused primarily by inadequate footings and posts. At Sculptural Gates, we carefully inspect the soil stability and design our footings to match the soil conditions. Our footings are engineered for maximum structural support. When we come across less than ideal soil stability, we use options such as metal outriggers on the post that extend out in two directions. We advocate grade beams on all of our installations, especially when columns are part of the design. This ties the entire gate together as one unit and prevents sagging and future misalignment of the gate leaves. Our sealed bearing hinge systems have 3/8" steel brackets and adjustable slots for fine-tuning of alignment, unlike most of our competitors. All of our installations are lined up using laser alignment and leveling systems. This assures that all gate components line up correctly and have a clean appearance. Electrical is very important from the standpoint of safety and reliability. Sculptural Gates is licensed as an electrical contractor, in addition to our ornamental iron and access control licenses. Many gate companies are not qualified or licensed to do the electrical work, but do it nevertheless. Vehicle detection loops are a leading cause of failure. The loops are the part of the system that are embedded in the road surface and act like a metal detector when the vehicle passes over them. Being installed in the road surface, they are subject to severe conditions. Strict installation guidelines are necessary to prevent premature failure. We offer comprehensive installation services. From start to finish, Sculptural Gates can do all aspects of your gate project, from trenching and underground electrical to foundations and columns with lighting. We also install battery backup systems and solar-powered gates.
I purchased my gate and automation from Sculptural Gates, and it has been a great experience. The gate is beautiful and well crafted. It gives me a great sense of security and has added to the elegance of my home. The staff and crew at Sculptural Gates was knowledgeable and a pleasure to work with. I highly recommend Sculptural Gates for your gate project.
Originally, I started shopping for gates online. And out of all the places that I looked at all over the western United States, I was attracted to the design that I found was Sculptural Gates. Shortly thereafter, I contacted Sculptural Gates, and they came out and designed this gate here from scratch. And not only are they excellent fabricators, but I was really attracted to the fact that they could do the entire system. The engineering in which they put together, with the I-beams they do and everything else, was unheralded by anybody else. I'm sure you'll find working with them to be a pleasure.
If you choose Sculptural Gates for your project, you can be assured that you will receive top-notch work during your installation and prompt service during the lifetime of your entryway. We're confident that the customer knows when they are receiving quality service. With this in mind, our goal is to constantly evolve our company to serve our clients better. It does take more energy to do this, but satisfied customers are returning customers and they refer us to their friends. This is a mutually beneficial relationship where everyone is a winner. Thank you for having joined us, and we look forward to hearing from you.